Connected to virtually unlimited power, the fire pump controller is the most dangerous element a building needs to maintain. And if something goes wrong while energized, a deadly arc flash is created. What we are about to show you is a fire pump controller designed to NFPA 20 standards, experiencing a real 14-calorie arc flash. That fault then causes 100,000 amps to rush into the controller, destroying it and everything in its path. But what if there was a way to avoid this entirely? What if you didn't have to choose between putting personnel at risk or shutting down the entire building for maintenance? Through innovative engineering, Master came up with a solution. Move the isolating switch into a bolted compartment and allow it to act as a separate circuit breaker. Recording less than half a calorie of heat in official laboratory measurements, Master's SIS allows fire pump controllers to be serviced safely, fully energized, for the first time in industry history. Master, we're leading the way.